back into Angelo's adventures.
What do you think, Papa? It's
I
nice,
don't
huh?
know. It looks weird.
No, it looks really nice, actually.
But the private ship is broken a little bit.
Yeah.
And look at the flag.
Oh, yeah, it's ripped, huh?
Hold on.
I know.
I wish that like someone will give me help to make me something better than this planet.
Okay. That's nice. All right. Let's do it. Awesome. Good job.
It's soft.
Yeah.
It's
Thank you.
like my cousin's dog.
Está bonito aquí, Angelo.
Yeah.
¿Te gusta aquí, Papa?
Just look at the pirate.
Ooh, nice. Yeah.
Daddy, did you know pirates are actually a robber?
Sí.
Yes.
They used to
La mayoría
stop,
sí.
friendly
La mayoría tienen
pirates
su
food
propio,
or their water so they can keep it
dice
away.
residential. Dice residential.
That's why
Ajá,
I
o luego
learned
aquí
it
está
on
bien
my
bonito el bridge,
school.
estamos viendo.
Papá, ¿te está gustando aquí? ¿Está bonito?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Oh. ¿Te gustan mucho estos ships que están aquí?
Yes, but I'm a little bit afraid of giant ships because if they sink, I'm a little bit scared of giant ships. I'm a lot of scared of the giant ships because I'm afraid that they're gonna sink just like the Titanic.
latte, right?
Yes, and this one, and it says since 1986, and it was open since 1986, and I have one of these, and it's super hot, so caution, be careful with this.
With the hot drinks, huh? Okay. All right, let's keep going. Oh, it's a beautiful view, Angelo, huh? What do you think?
Great, I wish that you bring your waterproof camera to bring it on the right there, and then we will get it back.
Oh, yes, it's beautiful, huh?
Look, there's a baby bird flying, look!
Where? I don't see it.
It's red.
With the red? No, it's un papalote, Angelo.
It's just a kite?
Kite. It's a beautiful view, huh, Angelo? What do you think?
Yes, it looks super cool.
You're enjoying your hot drink, huh?
Hi guys, we're going to walk in. Our family is more far away than us, so we have to go with our uncle and my mom, because we're gonna go get our grandma, because we're gonna leave already. And plus it's getting late.
Yeah, it's getting late. It's a nice area, see? So we can buy a boat. So you can put it right here, yeah? You wanna do that?
But I heard that you cannot own a boat because you need a boat license.
Yes. Let's go. Come everybody.